This is a 2002 Chevy Avalanche 4x4. We're about to take a test drive onto the freeway. This vehicle's got 91,000 miles, 91,700 miles, traded in by a retired couple. We're up to 80 miles per hour right now. Back down to 75, so you can tell it's pretty smooth riding truck. Hardly any vibrations in the vehicle, very quiet. We're at 70 miles per hour right now. Again, this Avalanche traded in by a Scottsdale couple, a retired couple actually. They traded in for a Cadillac Escalade EXT. This is a one-owner vehicle, 91,000 miles. It's a 4x4. It is a Chevy Avalanche 2500.